Dampers are the core of the vehicle's suspension system and significantly influence its behaviour, softening the impact of irregular road surfaces, damping vibrations and keeping the wheels in contact with the road at all times. Your vehicle's driving comfort, stability and active safety depend on the dampers, so it is important they always are in excellent conditions. Dampers wear out slowly and progressively, but they influence many components of the suspension system like tyres, springs and other mechanical elements of the vehicle. Should you notice anomalies in the grip on the road or unusual swaying when braking or accelerating, if the steering wheel feels looser or the braking distance increases, it could mean your dampers need checking. In this case, you can contact your dealership or trusted authorised workshop. You are guaranteed help from qualified technicians and the use of original spare parts. Damper efficiency is a fundamental element for your comfort and safety.